Good morning. We are here from the Indian School of Business to present Banking Ideas of the Future as part of the Cognizant CXO Challenge 2017. So let me take you through the future of banking, the Vision 2022. Increasingly, we are seeing banks move from a private commoditized model to a more open structure through the use of open banking and third-party providers like fintech aggregators. How we have structured this is basically to take you along the retail journey of a customer, the journey of SME customer, and finally, how banking operations are using technologies to drive their products.
So here we see the technological disruption that is happening on the retail banking side. We've chalked out the journey of a customer across different age groups. In the 18 to 30 age group, we see a customer looking out for education loans, P2P lending, and saving instruments. The innovation that we've seen banks doing here include artificial intelligence and blockchain in terms of disbursing loans. Again, coming to the 30 to 60 age year group, we see customers looking for portfolio management, insurance, and car and home loans. Again, data analytics and machine learning being the prominent technologies used here. Finally, 60 and plus year age group, we see people looking out for pensions and data analytics playing a very important role in helping them out there.
So I'll take you through the SME space. Within the SME space, we see that technology has disrupted right from idea generation and up to default threats. So within idea generation, we can use blockchain. Within managing funds, banking as a platform can be utilized. Working capital lending could be managed efficiently through artificial intelligence, and default threats could be forecasted by using Internet of Things.
Coming lastly to the disruption within a banking process, we look at how banks generate revenue. We say customer acquisition, building purchase intention, and making products available as the key levers which drive the banking business. In customer acquisition, we see a lot of big data disrupting the way how customers are segmented. With a lot of data incoming, banks are better able to position and price the products. In purchase intentions, banks can use deep learning to find out personalized products depending on the risk profile and return profile of individual customers. In making products available, because of the proliferation of so many devices and IoT, payment gateways, wallets, companies can use eKYC and related technologies to reach out to more people in diverse geographies with a very low transaction cost.